We're here with Juju's kitchen. We're gonna make cupcakes. This had to be a cake, but I don't have the things for a cake.
So it's a yellow cake.
With a balloon. And then we have our sprinkles. And then our cup. And then we have a mixer. And our eggs. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna just open this up.
Be careful.
And open it.
Pour it.
Pour all of it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna pour every single thing. Everything. And then eggs next, right?
Wait. 3 eggs. Crack 3 eggs.
And I'm just gonna put my first one.
Don't put the shells in there.
Okay. The second one. Out. Yeah. Okay. Oh god, I'm skipping the last one.
You're moving everything.
That's it?
No, keep going.
So we had mixed it, we put everything in. Just gonna put it in here in a minute. Just let it drop.
Yes.
So then we put this, we put it in here.
I'm putting this.
Here.
Putting this
Then
down.
we have, when it's done, we put the frosting, and then the sprinkles.
This is difficult with one hand.
Is it done? Check.
Hold on, it's still dripping.
It's not dripping. Look.
It's still dripping. Leave it there. Don't take it out, because then it's going to be a disaster.
And then I'm gonna do it.
I am the new how to basic.
Basic, my sister. What is wrong with you? Think it out.
I did it right.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. I should be a new chef.
You should be an old chef.
No, I'm the perfect chef. Ah!
What is wrong with you?
It's going great. Don't look. Don't look. I have an idea that if we put it in the bag and just like break out the end, it would be easier to put them in there. JJ, what are you doing?
Chicken.
This is not good caca. I eaten better caca than this. And you just fell off your chair. What is this? Come on, you're not scraping good enough.
I'm trying, woman.
No, you just made it worse.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, I'm just gonna let you be.
You have to. I'm the one that made this.
Are you? Excuse me? I helped you with the measuring. You know how hard that is in math?
I know, I did math.
Not measuring.
Yeah.
No, you're still in first.
I'm not in first.
What are you then?
Second.
Wow. 1 grade. Wow.
I better go to third.
What grade do you think I'm in?
7.
Oh yeah, I told you earlier, didn't I?